know if you can read that or not, but it's right at 0. And this is where I started cutting with half a liter of gas. You're gonna have to hold this because I can't do it. I didn't cut over there, I just cut over here. Okay, all the ways up here. Just keep it on that side. And that's double and triple cut here at the beginning to here. Single cut here. Double cut. Went in and cut all this, which was real heavy grass. Still cut. This is double cut. I only went to here. Okay, I went to the mailbox. Now on this side, I only done one single cut down. Just the outside cut. The heavier stuff. No, the lighter stuff.
Okay.
This cut. Didn't cut in here, he had cut that. Just kept going on my single cut down. Now this was all heavy. He didn't cut this. This I had to cut that heavy stuff all the ways down. Keep going. This is all heavy stuff that we had to cut. The high stuff there you see, that's what we cut. Cut right to his driveway here. Okay, now you see where I started there. Right there. Single cut heavy grass. Now on this part past the mailbox to where it goes wider, I went back again and then came back again. Went into the, cleaned up a little bit around the mailbox and then cut down this side of the driveway. Just one cut. And as I got down here, I made 2 little cleanup cuts from here to where the dirt is there. Made 2 of them and it died right about here. Now, what is it for mileage? Let me see. I don't know if you can see that or not. The trip mileage. That's what I cut. And that's with the lawnmower now. We'll shut this off and we'll show you what we've done for modifications. Can you read it? Looks like 400.
1.5.
1.5 kilometers?
Yes.
Are you sure it's 1.5?
Yeah, it's not 15.
Looks like a 4.
Oh, it's definitely 5.
It's 1.1 or 5.1 kilometers of grass cut. Now with the lawnmower, we made a few little modifications. We took off the carburetor completely, JB welded this right into the intake. It's a piece of copper tube. Comes up and around. We JB welded the air vent. Fixed this, put in 50 cents worth of gas, half a liter, and cut all that on just fumes. Just set up these 2 with it and it runs beautiful. And that's without the blade being sharpened. Once it's sharpened, it'll cut a lot easier. And that's what we got. 50 cents. There you go. Shut this